vinyl crackles, smooth beats whisper in twilight shackles. Down tempo rhythm pulses with pride. In this urban jungle we take the ride. Melancholy dances with a down-tempo beat. Atmospheric scents make the night so sweet. Mellow grooves haunt us in hazy delight. We find solace in the warmth of night. Whispers of jazz in a lo-fi hum. Final soft whispers where dreams come from. Underneath starlight we find our tune. With mellow beats sure we'll sing till noon. Smooth jazz echoes through city streets. Every tick and talk our hearts it greets. Final spins tales of love long past. In that crackling sound we find at last. Synth waves rolling in a breeze so light. Each note a companion through the silent night. Down tempo vibes echoing true. In these smoky beats I find you. Whispers of jazz in a lo-fi hum. Final soft whispers where dreams come from. Underneath starlight we find our tune. With mellow beats sure we'll sing till noon. Whispers of jazz in a lo-fi hum. Final soft whispers where dreams come from. Underneath starlight we find our tune. With mellow beats sure we'll sing till noon. school tunes align, rhythm's heartfelt line, calm within we find, rain and music call, urban night stands tall, lo-fi hold us all, in this gentle sprawl, rolling with each beat, rain keeps time so sweet, city streets a lead, echoes hearts repeat. Guitar in hand, feel the beat, old keyboard sings so sweet, vinyl spins a soft retreat, crafting magic on repeat, rain outside, a gentle song, ambient light helps me belong, echoes of a night that's long, in this space I can't go wrong, raindrops fall, vinyl plays, lost in sounds of yesterday, ambient lights, shadows sway, in this warmth I'll stay, creating here in quiet night, music flows under soft light, every note feels just right, in this mood dreams take flight, creating here in quiet night, music flows under soft light, every note feels just right.